our personal opinion and is only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before making a decision. Mutual funds investments are subject to market risk. Please read over documents carefully before investing. Past performances are no guarantee of future returns. This video is solely for educational purpose only and to provide information and is not intended to give any advice. Information shared are personal opinions only. Whoever and stock or mutual fund name is mentioned, this is for educational and informational purpose. Share market and investment can be risky. Please seek professional advice before making any decision. We, Pro Engineer cum Trader Office Gurani or Gaurav Chopatia, won't be responsible for any of your losses or gains. Please seek professional advice before investing. Investing and trading in stocks or other instruments are subject to market risk. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision.